One final time, we are evaluating the limit as delta x goes to 0 of this rational function here, f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. So let's go ahead and get this problem going. So we have the function 2 times x. So instead of x, we're going to write x plus delta x. We have that plus 4 squared. So that whole thing there is squared. Minus our f of x function, which is 2x plus 4 quantity squared. All of that over delta x. And so now I'm going to do some distributing. So I'm going to get 2x plus 2 delta x plus 4, all that whole quantity squared, minus, if I go ahead and FOIL out the 2x plus 4, I'm going to get 4x squared. I'm going to get plus 16x and plus 16. So getting closer, still got a little bit more to do. Limit is delta x goes to 0. Now I need to square this big old thing. So that big old thing I'm going to do in this multiplication box so you can see where everything comes from. And now let's look at how simple this big messy thing is going to get. Let's look at all the stuff that cancels out. I've got a negative 16 over there, and I've got a positive 16 right there. I've got, let's see what else, a positive 16x and a negative 16x. I've got a negative 4x squared and a positive 4x squared. And now notice I've got a delta x in each term. So goodbye delta x, goodbye 1 power of delta x, goodbye another power of delta x, and goodbye that power of delta x. And so I'm left with the limit as delta x goes to 0 of 8x plus 4 delta x plus 16, which if I directly substitute delta x equals 0, I get my answer of 8x plus 16. That big old messy thing became 8x plus 16.